Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Mbumi and Co with funds and galore, where investing meets more. So guys, today I have something special for y'all. Today we're gonna be back testing, guys. We're gonna be setting prices back to a particular date and trading those prices until today's date, just to show you guys how this strategy works on long term. Like I stated, I don't trade currencies, but I'm gonna demonstrate this demonstration with a currency pair, just to show you that, guys, with this strategy you can adapt it to anything. All you need to understand is how the mechanics of that certain pair, index, or commodity works. So you're gonna be trading Euro JPY, guys. So I've set prices back already, so you're gonna be trading until this is basically our trading spot from 11 December 2023 until, what date is this? It doesn't show until this date, but I bet this is the date for this year. So you're gonna be trading. As you can see, we have a replay over here. Since I paid for this the subscription, we are able to take prices back. So now we're gonna work prices from this date until this point here, and we're gonna see if the strategy is actually profitable, guys. So like I say, first you always start at the daily, just to see what the market is telling us. So from what we see now is that the market is in a bullish trend, meaning that we are overall buyers, guys. So we have a bullish trend here. We'll mark our daily trend line with pink. We're gonna be gonna highlight our daily trend line with pink, but for now this is how our trend looks like. Like I stated, we have two identical twins, right? We have two identical twins. So we buy at the support and we sell at the resistance. So now we look like we're at the resistance, our prices are pulling back. Let's see what the market has in store for us. So we can see that we're in a bullish trend, but we have reached the resistance area. So now let's dive deep into the market and actually see what the market is telling us, guys. So from the 4 hours, we're gonna be marking our key levels, which is 1 here, which is our resistance. It was the resistance until market broke out, retested, and continued up. So it's a very valid area. So we're gonna also mark this area here, because why? We have touches here and we have touches over here. Then we're also gonna be marking our key levels, which is here. Like I stated, guys, our key levels is where the market tends to have the most touches. So guys, remember the lesson of M. This was a beautiful M. After this break over here, we could have taken our sales until this point here. As you can see, the market has broken out. So this is our key levels. Let's also mark this key level right here. Then we'll just switch to line graph, just to see if everything is catered for properly. We'll just adjust this one, put it at the tip, so that it can cater for also this trend right here. Market reversed right here and it went back up. So guys, now we're gonna be looking to see where are we gonna get our entry. So far, this is basically what the market is telling us, right? So this could be a potential trend right here. This could be a potential trend. Like I stated, guys, we always need to be one step of the market so we can predict where prices are going next. So this is a potential trend it'll only be invalidated if the market does not play within this trend, right? So as you can see, market is pulling back. Why is the market pulling back? We have also reached a zonal area right here, right? This is a nice beautiful zone, so the market is likely to respect this zone right here. Then we can also include our zone mixed with our levels just to give us more depth in terms of what the market is doing. If the market falls back, guys, you're gonna be looking for entries at this level back up to the resistance. If the market pulls back from this area, pushes back, and you will look for entries right here. So now let's just see what the market is doing. Like I stated, you have to be one step ahead of the market. So we're gonna just push prices, let prices play out and see what is happening. Like I stated, we're not looking for sales because we don't trade against the market. You're trading with the overall market direction, so you're just pushing prices up. So you have this ability only if you purchase trading view, guys. So you're gonna be pushing prices. As we can see, the market is moving, it is moving, it has broken through. Let's see what the market decides to do from this point onwards. So as you can see, the market is still playing in this area for quite some time. It's December. Normally December we don't necessarily trade because there's not much going on in the market. So you're gonna be pushing prices. As we can see, prices have broken out of this trend, also retested. So this could have been our entry area, but we're waiting for the market to break above this area right here before looking for entries, guys. We wanted to break here, then we will look for entries to the upside. If the market breaks below here, we could be looking for entries to the downside. This is how you basically trap the market, guys. So it's best to allow or wait for the market to come to you instead of you trying to force entries for the sake of making money, guys, because that strategy does not work. It has never worked. Only patience has worked. So we will just also remove this pattern right here. As you can see, we had a breakout and retest. The market is playing. Let's see what the market does from this point onwards. So we're gonna do what we do best, is we're gonna be waiting and see what the market does. So we're pushing prices forward in the 1 hour time frame. So every candlestick represents every 1 hour within a day. So the market has been playing around this area for quite some time. Even we wouldn't have been trading this trade since the 18th of December. Now it's literally the 27th of December. So we're gonna be pushing prices. So guys, now this is why I trade indices, even though we have to wait for entries, but we don't have to wait this long. Currencies is good for swing trade. If you're swinging, currencies is the best for swinging. And then Nasdaq is best for day trading, guys. So as you can see, the market is respecting this zone here. What does this tell us? That yes, we have catered for the right area. Because why? Market is failing to break below. It is failing to break below, guys. It's respecting the support region, therefore the market pushed up. Now let's see what the market continues to do. So market is playing above. Is pushing back down. That's why you wouldn't be in a hurry, because if you would have taken entries here and be like, oh wait, we've broken this, we're gonna take it until here, this is highly possible where the market drops down before actually going up. So you would have liquidated your position around this area. That's why patience, like I always state, is important. So let's just push prices and see if we're going to get an entry. While that is happening, let's just play it at 3, right? let's just make the replay speed at 1%. So we're gonna also cater for this area right here. So as you can see, the market is respecting trend, so the market can actually break below, then we look for entries here until this area. Yeah, if the market still continues to break below that and continues going down, guys, it is absolutely fine because we traded the market. As you can see, it looks like the market is respecting our trend line. So we don't know, this is all we have discovered so far. So since we're in a bullish trend and the market has broken out of this resistance, forming a new trend, so we will be looking for our first entries right about here. The market is moving itself. Let me pause. Oh wait, pause, stop spoiling. So we're looking for entries at that area after the retest. We'll gun for 2.48% and we will only risk we'll just risk 60 is too much, 59%. So basically if the market drops and hits the last point, it means that we've been stopped out. If the market reaches this point, it means that this is our profit, this is the difference, this is our profit difference, and this is our loss difference. So what does this tell us? That we are risking less than what we're willing to make, guys. So let's see if the prices are gonna respect our setup and see if it'll go forward. So we would have been holding, prices would have pushed back. So market is pushing, guys, market is pushing, playing around the same area. Now what do we do in this situation? We want to cater for new trends and see if the market is respecting a new trend. Therefore that's why it might be playing around that area. So we have a new trend right about here. So let's just change the colors of this trend and make it red, because this is literally our current trend line right now. So now let's continue playing and see if the market will respect this possible trend. It has broken out of this trend, we are still holding. Let's see what the market is doing. We're still in profit, but we are less. Okay, we are holding, guys. We're literally holding. We need to trust our strategy. If you don't trust your strategy, you won't win. So let's just extend this in case the market does get to our stop loss. For now it hasn't gotten to our stop loss. What do? We cater for a new possible trend, which is this one right here. Which is clearly we have a new trend, so we're expecting the market to play around this area before making a break and retest and go into the upside. So let's see if it'll do that. So the market is playing around this area. We were in losses again. Okay, we've been stopped out, so we lost 0.59. So we will just stop it then, look for new entries, guys. So let's continue going, playing with the market. The market is playing within this trend. It has created a fake out. Now let's see what the market does. So let's continue and see what the market does. Breaks, retests. So we would have taken our entries right about here after the perfect retest. Then we're predicting prices are gonna go to the same target we're targeting, guys, and we're gonna risk the same lot size, which is 0.59. Let's go at 0.62, guys. So let's continue and see if the market will respect our new setup. Normally, if the market fails twice, if it was to hit my stop loss right now, I would abandon this level and look for new entries after, yeah, basically that. So let's see, the market has been playing in losses, now it's pushing, we're in profit. So we were in losses, now we're in profit. Let's see if the market will go full way. Let's see if the market will hit our take profit, guys. The thing about trading currencies that you need literally patience. Without patience, you won't succeed. So we have a new potential trend. So with this new trend, we can anticipate that the market can potentially go back here before actually going up. So that's something to consider. So for now, what do? We want to wait and see what the market is doing. So the market is, so far we're in profits. Let's extend our profit meter. So as you can see, we're in profit, guys. So this is the current market right here. Now let's see if we can go the whole way. If we do that, we would have made back our loss. Even now, if I decide to close at this specific price tag, we would have closed. But we don't care about the money. All we care about is the setup and being a proper trader, guys. So the market is playing along so far. It's pushing right up. Let's see. Oh my, we're almost at take profit. Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit take profit? It's so close, guys. It's so close. Let me extend this again. As you can see, we almost at take profit. So what do? We're gonna just extend this trend. It could be useful and informative in the long run. So right now we're waiting. We wanna see if the market will reach this point. This will be our take profit. So let's see. And we hit take profit. So far we have a 0.59 loss, and we have a 2.52% win. That's far greater than the loss. So what does this tell us? That we're in deep profit. So now we want to see what the market is going to do before looking for more entries, guys. Let's see what the market, if the market does break this trend, continue look for prices to the upside. But if the market respects this trend, break to the downside and continue, we will be looking for our entries right about this area. Yeah, this will be where prices would be cheap. So we understand that now. So now let's see what the market is going to do for us. Let's see what the market is gonna literally do for us, guys. So what do? We pushing prices again, pushing prices. One thing I want you to also notice is that we took this trade on the 7th of February 2024, and the trade finally closed on the 26th of Feb. So that's why I'm saying currencies is good for swing trading, guys, because you have to wait. Yeah, you'll have to wait if you especially don't have a very big account, guys. So now let's continue playing with the price and see what the price is doing. Okay, it has dropped back to our support. Is it gonna respect it? or is it gonna break it? Let's see, guys. Let's see what the market does. Okay, it's playing within the trend. Let's see what happens now. Guys, we're gonna catch 2 more trades depending on the time, and we are backtesting currency, so it might take a minute. Okay guys, so this is what we have. We have market breaking out, but it doesn't come to retest. So this could be a new trend, guys. So this is how trends work. You need to be able to spot out and move before it happens, so that you have much better intel in terms of what is what and what is going on within the market. So let's continue pushing prices again, pushing prices. So as you can see, during this time you only took in 2 trades since January 15 and until now, 14 March 2024. So the market is respecting. Is it gonna break? I'm anticipating it to break. Retest, give us a retest. Okay, the market is playing along beautifully. We need a retest. Nope, we need a retest. Okay, the market is respecting the setup now. Okay, the market, it is literally going down, respecting. So now let's just adjust our chains again to cater for the newest chains, because it's always important to freshen up your analysis, guys. So guys, we're gonna stop here for today, just so we don't extend this lesson, but we're still going to continue with this pair. So let me just add in a line just to indicate where we last ended off. Continue from here. So we're just gonna so guys, we'll record the part 2 of backtesting with this currency pair, just to show you guys where we at. As you can see, we took 2 trades, we only risked 0.62%, but we targeted a 2 point something percent, which is far greater than a 0 point something percent, and that's how we win long term. So I'm gonna show you how to win long term. You don't necessarily need to get all of your trades right. It does not matter how many trades you lose, as long as every month you're growing, your account is growing, guys. So peace out until next time.